didn't realize how much this one thing controlled my whole day. Coffee to me has been such a staple in my life, and it's been so hard to imagine not having it. But a few days ago, I decided that enough is enough. I'm done drinking the coffee. And for some people, I think that coffee works. I think that they can have like a balance with it and sort of like still be able to do everything else that they want to do. But for me, coffee was really detrimental in a way where I wouldn't drink any water. I wasn't getting any like nutrients through the things I was drinking because everything was centering around coffee. I just wanted that all the time. And that's my own personal issue where for some reason when I have certain things, the moderation lacks. But the last couple of days I've been having my smoothie and I'm just starting to get used to it again. But I am really enjoying it, and it does make me feel more hydrated. It does make me feel better. So I'm happy about that. And just getting rid of bad habits one by one is kind of the plan here. So I'm excited to do that with you guys. It's been 5 days without caffeine, and I'm still trying to make healthier choices. But without coffee, everything feels slower and a little heavier. Today, I could feel myself wanting that easy fix. So I drove somewhere cold instead. There's something about being in nature that reminds me that my discomfort isn't permanent. It's just a phase. The waterfall doesn't force itself to move faster. It just keeps going, and maybe that's what I need too. I still miss coffee, but today I didn't turn around and get it. And that feels like a small win. If you're working on changing something in your life right now, I'd love to know what that is. Comment down below. And if you're slowly getting yourself together with me, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.